Rooster, rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. The sun is up, the sky is blue. Wake up, it's a brand new day. Let's smile and laugh and sing away. Mr. Rooster flaps his wings so high. He crows hello to the bright blue sky. Cock-a-doodle-doo, he calls with cheer. Good morning, friends, the day is here. The cows say moo, the sheep say baa. The ducks all quack, good morning, ma. The farm wakes up with joy so true. All thanks to Mr. Rooster too. Good morning, Mr. Rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. The sun is shining just for you. Good morning, friends, both far and near. Let's start the day with love and cheer. He walks through the barn with a happy tune. The flowers stretch beneath the moon. Now golden rays begin to glow, and every heart starts to overflow. The piglets roll and laugh in hay. The kittens chase the light of day. Mr. Rooster smiles so proud and true. Good morning, world, how do you do? Oh, morning light, so warm and bright. You chase away the sleepy night. With every chirp, with every sound, new dreams and joy are all around. Good morning, Mr. Rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. The world wakes up because of you. Good morning, sun and skies of blue. It's time to play the whole day through. And children laugh and skip along. Their voices rise in a happy song. Mr. Rooster leads the way, bringing smiles to start the day. He winks and crows with a twinkle bright. Make today so warm and light, and every heart sings loud and true. Good morning, Mr. Rooster, thank you. Cock-a-doodle-doo, the morning's here. Let's start our day with joy and cheer. Good morning, Mr. Rooster dear. We'll